Bakit mo nga ba ginagawa yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo ngayon? Bakit kailangan mo magpatuloy para mas mag-improve ka pa at least 1% daily? So, back in the days when I started this 50-day challenge of self-discovery, wala akong may topic, kaya puro clips lang. Andyan din yung self-doubt and concern sa sasabihin ng ibang tao. And paano kung makita ka ng mga friends and workmates mo on social media by posting your self-discovery hanggang sa ma-realize ko and hindi ka mag-grow kung hindi mo sisimulan. Life is a race, but you have your own track. Life is not a competition. It's about how you beat the man in front of the mirror. May kanya-kanya tayong strength and may kanya-kanya din tayong weaknesses. Pero paano natin hihigitan ang sarili natin once na tayo ay nasa ating kahinaan? It's just the thing that always reminds me, why am I doing Project 50? Why did you start and why do you need to keep moving? Diba? Focus on yourself rather than focus on the opinion of others. Yun lang guys, this is day 23 of Project 50. See you guys tomorrow.